the first step, we're gonna go from the cowlick and we're gonna create kind of like a V section. And the same thing, we're gonna make like a triangle using the finer part of my comb and the teeth right here, his corners right here. Right here. Once we have that, we wanna just go ahead and comb with my little pin. Next with my trimmer, I'm gonna make my first guide. My clipper over comb. Our number 4. I'm gonna go up and just kind of clean up this area right here. Slick up to that hard line that we've made. All right, so we're gonna clean up this guideline that we have. .5 guard now. We're gonna go above about 2 fingers. Now with the 3, I'm gonna flick up to that bulk line again. Okay, just so we don't get lost, we have the 1.5 guard right here. This guideline, 2 fingers. We have the 3, almost about 2 fingers, and then we have this bulk that we clipper over comb. So what I'm gonna wanna do now is I wanna open up the lever and start kind of just blending out. We're gonna blend out this whole thing right here. We're gonna go with this open to close. Just a tiny bit right here on the top. Start closing it little by little. Grab my widest part comb with my thinning shears from Faded Culture. They have a 10 for a discount if you guys do purchase anything. I'm gonna use this part of the comb and we're gonna blend in the 1.5 into the 3. And we're also gonna cave into the little bulk right here at the top. We're gonna start from here to here. So once I work this area here, now I'm gonna start going a little higher now with my thinning shears. It's really important to work zones so you guys don't get lost and you guys don't overdo it on one side. Now repeating the same thing on this side over here. Now with my half guard, I'm gonna go about an inch above a finger, gently grazing. So now we have this half guard now. We went with the 1.5 2 fingers and we blended everything on top. I'm gonna go ahead and go from open to closed now, trying to blend this into the top. I'm gonna go up maybe half an inch and I'm just gonna be flicking out. And any little inconsistencies, I'm gonna blend them out with thinning shears. We're not gonna use the 1 guard or the 2 guard in this haircut. I'm gonna put it in the middle. I'm gonna close it all the way now. I went from the open to the middle position now. So you guys see that this hard line here? I'm just gonna demonstrate how to get rid of this right here. And the key is just to keep the blade in place and not to dig in too much. Keep it kind of like at an even surface right here. Just go up. Keep working. And sometimes you guys might encounter like little hairs that are a lot thicker, and that's why I am switching the positioning of my thinning shears. I have more control this way. What I want to do now is I'm going to line up the C cup. Now we're gonna work on this bottom line. We're gonna take a little, my soft trimmer, which is a trimmer that's not gap, and I'm just gonna baby tap this line right here. I'm just gonna work on from here to here. I'll show you guys how to blend the back side too. Next, with my clipper, I'm gonna go open to close. You guys want to remember that we did go an inch above with the half guard. So we don't want to go an inch. We maybe want to go 1/4 to 1/2 inch with the lever open. 3/4 now. Now my lever is closed. Repeat the same thing on the back. My lever is completely open. Three-quarters. Closed all the way. We're going to take a nice vertical profile section. What I'm going to do, I'm going to establish the length in the front. We want like 1 inch. So we're going to cut off like about this much, just to keep it safe. We're gonna start from the front, so you guys can see where we started over here. That's our guide. We're gonna run this across the whole head. We can just bring all the way, this all the way back as well. Just to connect the front to the back. This is exactly what we cut. But what I want to do is I kind of want to give them some curtains. So to give them some curtains, I'm gonna maybe go about 1, 2, 3 combs here and split this to the side. That's his curtains, right? So we want to preserve that length and do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna start from the back. So I'm gonna take this guide that we got. I'm gonna comb it through. Round this off to the side.